Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This morning, I'm going to talk a little bit about magnesium, how it has helped me, the different things that has worked for me using magnesium, and how when I had a conversation with my doctor, how beneficial it is to every cell in our body, and how important it is, especially when you start to age, when you get a little older and stuff. It's really good. You know, it's really good to keep that as a supplement. So I learned how to make my magnesium oil. Two simple ingredients, and I don't have money to waste buying something that I can actually prepare on my own. So what I do is I learned how to make the oil, which is really easy. You guys can learn how to make it too. But what happened just before I started this video, I thought I was recording this same video and realized that it wasn't on, and so I had already made the magnesium oil. But I can tell you guys, it's so simple how to make it. Very, very simple. The first thing you definitely need is a spray bottle, distilled water, and magnesium flakes. They come like in the bags, and I purchased mine from Amazon. And I had just used the last of that, making this on the video that I thought I was recording prior to this video. But anyway, the ratio for making magnesium oil is 1 cup of water, 1 cup of magnesium flakes. So it's 1 and 1. Like if you're doing 2 cups of water, then 2 cups of magnesium flakes, and on and on. That's how the ratio is. So it's 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 2 to 2, however you're going to make it. So this is how you make it. That's how you make it, and this is what it looks like. Guys probably can't see it really good here, but it'll look a little cloudy once you make it, and you put it into your spray bottle, and you can spray it on your body, spray it all over, anywhere on your body that you're not sensitive to it. That everybody is different. And so that's what the magnesium spray that I use, one of the main things I use it for is sleeping, enhancing my sleep at night. You can spray it on your feet. You can spray it on the bottom of your feet, massage it in. You can spray it on the top, and they call it an oil. They call it magnesium oil, but it's a little bit more liquidy than an oil would be. So I spray it on the bottom of my feet and the top of my feet, and fall right on to sleep, and sleep just like a baby. So it definitely enhances the sleep. It actually helps support your muscle recovery too. If you're having problems with your muscle, if your legs is hurting and stuff, so spray something, reach for some of that. It definitely boosts. It's an energy level boost. It'll boost you up. It's great for that if you spraying it in your body. One other thing, where's the thing? Oh, okay. Meant to share this with you guys too. I also take the capsules. I take them. My daughter bought me this here, so I take the glycine because there's more than one type of magnesium. And so I was using the Now brand, and I finished that up. Then I started using the brand that my daughter purchased for me. It helps to relax the muscles, and it reduces magnesium reduces inflammation, in the muscles. It can also help to reduce anxiety, and it's good for cardiovascular health. So I take it for my heart, and it helps to regulate your blood pressure, your blood sugar levels. Also helps improve your insulin sensitivity for those who are if you're suffering with diabetes. But I just wanted to jump on here and show you guys, and I thought that I was really recording the first time and realized it wasn't on, so I had made this up. But I can come back again and show you guys, because I had to order me some more flakes, some magnesium flakes. But it's really easy. Just remember, if you order the flakes, I ordered mine from Amazon. It's 1 cup of flakes, 1 cup of water. Or if you do 2 cups of flakes, 2 cups of water. It's just even. That's how you make it. And you pour it into a spray bottle, and you spray it on you. You can spray it when you're getting out of the shower. You can spray it on your body. You can spray it on your shoulders. You can spray it on your legs. You can spray it on your knees. Spray it on your feet. Spray it to where you're not sensitive to it at. You can spray it. Sometimes I even spray some in my navel. But it's magnesium is really beneficial for the body. So I advise you guys to don't take my word for it. Just read up on it. It's just something else that I learned that I want to share with you all, with my subscribers. And I just thank everyone for watching me and for supporting my channel. And if this is your first time, you can please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and share my channel. Also the like button. Just want to thank everyone for watching this morning. I have quite a few home remedies that I want to be sharing. And so I'm going to be doing a whole lot of those. I know for sure, because I have a lot of them that I want to share. Different things. And more little creams and different things that I make up for myself. And just a lot of stuff that I have tried and it has worked. And I just want to share it. But I just want to thank you all for watching my channel. Until the next time, you guys be blessed. Have a wonderful day. Thanks again. Bye-bye.